Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the elegant design of the Hoengles modern semi-flush mount ceiling light, a stunning piece that combines modern aesthetics with classic charm. This ceiling light features a globe milk glass shade paired with a brushed brass finish, creating a sophisticated look that enhances any room's decor. With a light fixture diameter of 15 inches and a height of 9.1 inches, it's the perfect size for a variety of spaces, from your living room to your dining room, or even a cozy hallway. The double-layer plating ensures a bright metallic luster, while the ceramic base interface for the G9 socket makes installation a breeze, offering better insulation and safety. Designed for versatility, this fixture is not just a light but an art piece that brings mid-century and modern styles together seamlessly. Whether you're updating your kitchen island or adding flair to your bedroom, this ceiling light promises to deliver a high-quality lighting experience. So, if you're looking to elevate your home's ambiance, the Hoengles modern semi-flush mount ceiling light is a brilliant choice that combines functionality with timeless design. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.